Are you looking for how to fix YouTube update problem or switch to youtube.com? This version of YouTube is out of date. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps. Now search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on storage, tap on clear data, delete. Now go back to home screen, then go to Play Store. Now search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, update YouTube. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube update problem. This version of YouTube is out of date problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Oman's Guide.